In this video, I'm going to show you how to start adding languages to your system so that you can start translating your system to different languages to suit your users' needs. All right, so let's navigate over to Setup by clicking on Setup over here on the bottom left-hand side. And then we're going to click on Languages. As you'll see, we've got our default language, which is English, and we can start adding multiple languages here. To do that, we're going to click Add Language, and then you can select which language you would like to add. So I'm going to go ahead and add Spanish, and let's go ahead and add that and hit Save. So now we've got two languages, and we can go ahead and translate our site into Spanish as well. You can add as many languages as you need, of course. So let's go ahead and add another language, and then we can start building out those languages. As you'll see, these languages are currently not translated. I'm going to show you how to start translating these languages in the next video. I'll see you there.